We may often ask ourselves, how does math apply to my daily life? On a daily basis, we conduct some sort of mathematics. That be it to be determine how much money we need for our morning coffee or understanding the amount of interest our money earns when being saved in a bank. Understanding mathematics allows us to have a better control of our daily finances, basic measure of living, and allows hobbies to be fulfilled. As we discussed in our class, understanding mathematics gives us a better financial control, like understanding interest owned on credit cards, interest owned by the bank, the home you could afford, and understand taxes due on our yearly salary. The response may be given of, well, today we have technology. If a calculation is needed, it can be just Googled. Technology fails without proper understanding of the mathematical equation behind a problem mistakes and easily be made and improper use of technology can be done. A great example of this is during tax season when taxes are filed. The question occurs, do you want to itemize your deduction, or is a standard deduction more suitable for you? A new financial opportunity. You have a new concept for a restaurant that you would like to open in your neighborhood, but do not know if your new restaurant will be successful. Mathematics can help you determine what kind of restaurant to open to assure your new financial investment will be successful. By creating a short questionnaire and distributing amongst the community, your result can then be determined your potential customer base. For example, let's say you receive back 100 of your questionnaires. You can convert the answer to percentage by multiplying this by the local population to give you an idea of what potential customer base prefer to consume. Your restaurant has been open for a year now. You ask yourself, well, how successful, popular am I in comparison to other restaurants within my community? Using technology, you can review the top restaurant within your community and use the review to rate restaurant by popularity as determined by the positive review received back within the community. Let's go car shopping. You own a new car dealership and you need to determine what cars to feature in your commercial to attract new potential buyers. Best way to attract new customer is using that our color base preferred within the community your car dealership is in. You stand on the overpass of a very busy road, take a seat, and begin to jot down the color of cars that pass through the busy road. After an hour, with the result in your hand, total up the amount of cars passed for each color. Your resulting number is then divided by the amount of cars that passed by, then multiply the number by 100. This then gives you the percentage of the colors of cars passed through the busy road and allows you to choose the most popular color. You have accepted a new job that pays $60,000 a year, but your new job will require you to move to an apartment much closer to your job. Having this new job and salary, you must now calculate where you can afford to live, and is that new apartment you have had your eye on affordable. Now that you have become an adult and have an adult expenses, you're determined the wise thing to do is use one of the bi-weekly checks to pay all of your monthly living expenses. Save 10% of the next paycheck and remaining become money to spend on activities as you wish. Applying mathematics, you can calculate your own home salary each paycheck by calculating how much money will go to taxes. You first obtain a copy of the 2017 marginal tax rates and calculate how much money you will own at the end of the year based on 12 months of employment. After obtaining this number, you can also deduct the 401k contribution, health insurance, and Social Security payments from your annual salary. That is your home pay a year, also known as net yearly pay. To determine how if you can afford to pay all your monthly expenses, using only one check, you can take your net yearly pay and divide it by 26. This will give you your monthly take-home pay. After obtaining the information, you can determine what apartment you can live in, how to manage your expenses so that you can only use one of your monthly checks for living expense, and how much money you will have for a month for fun. Your car is falling apart and you want to get a new one but do not have the money to buy one completely in cash. You decide to look for a used car at your local dealer. You have found a car that you like at your local used car dealership. You see the sticker price and compare it to the Blue Book value of the car. You take the find that the Blue Book value of the car is more than the sticker price on the car. You determine the dealer is offering the car for $500 less than the Blue Book value. Buying a car cash will save you $500. Unfortunately, this is not an option for you, so you look into finance deal with the dealership offers for the car and see they offer 10% interest financing over 3 years. You ask yourself again, is the sticker price of the car worth it if it's financed? You use the following formula to find the true cost of the car if it's financed. The monthly amount you'll pay for the car with the interest calculated, the result will then be multiplied by the term of the loan, which is 36 months, to give you the total cost of the car if it's financed. The total amount can then be deducted from the Blue Book value to help you determine if the sticker price is really worth of the car. You are starting a new business by opening up a pizza parlor. You plan on selling pizza, giving the consumer a choice of 3 toppings. To attract more customers, you want to advertise a great selection of toppings that you have, but you do, however, want to keep in mind that you do not want to be wasteful with food and avoid overbuying that can result in spoilage. To be sure you are being mindful, you offer a variety of 10 different toppings. Keep in mind, in order to attract more customers, you need to advertise how you offer a variety of toppings by telling people the total number of toppings combination available. Mathematics to help you determine the total number of combinations you can advertise to your consumer that you offer by using the following formula. You have a friend that has played his same lucky number for the past 20 years. Every time he loses, he can't understand why he has not won after 20 years of playing. Being a good friend, you attempt to make him understand why he has not won using mathematics. The lottery is a 6-number lottery with numbers being 1 through 40, with a bonus Powerball that is also 1 through 40. All numbers must match the winning ticket to hit the jackpot. The odds of matching the numbers calculated using the formula. But because we have a Powerball, the answer you receive above must then be multiplied by 40 for the number possibility the Powerball can be.